Hi everyone, I'm Vince Riley and welcome to my educational vlog. Today I'll be giving you a simple introduction to multimedia and ICT, two important concepts in our modern digital world. Multimedia is the use of different media forms like text, images, audio, video, and animation to deliver information. See multimedia in videos, online lessons, presentation, website, and social media. It helps people understand information more clearly because it uses more than one form of communication. ICT or Information and Communication Technology refers to the technologies used to process, store, and share information. These include computers, smartphones, the internet, apps, and digital systems. ICT allows people to communicate easily and access information anytime and anywhere. Multimedia and ICT are connected to each other. Multimedia provides the content while ICT provides the platform and tools to share that content. They work together to make digital communication possible. In today's digital generation, multimedia and ICT are not just tools. They are part of our daily lives. Learning about them helps us become more responsible and effective digital users. Thank you for watching my vlog. This is Vince Riley and that is my introduction to multimedia and ICT. Have a great day.